What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to give you guys a parallel profits review. So is this actually an overview of parallel profits? So I can't give you guys an actual review because this product does not launch until the 29th of January. So this will be an overview, and this will give you some insight as to whether this will be a product that you should look onto or whether you should avoid the shiny object syndrome that's going on the marketplace. Although guys, I know Steven and Aiden, the product creators, very well. I done launches with them in the past, and some of the product I even gone through. So I know the product he created are actually helping a lot of people. So I know he's creating a high quality stuff that's actually help people. So we're gonna talk about the product and is what entitles and whether you should into it or not. So the pre-launch guys starts on January 23. So this is a parallel profit review. So it's basically all about making money by helping small businesses and its grow. And it's not what you think. You don't have to go out there and becoming an expert at Facebook ads or becoming an expert at creating funnels or doing selling anything whatsoever. So what Stephen Clayton and Eden Booth, these two gentlemen here, what they did guys, they put together an amazing service for people that can get started in a business with little to no overhead without really an experience and help them start making money as quickly as possible. So let's break down what parallel profit actually is. So it's a different phases of a service business that you need to have to be successful, right? So you know need to go out and be able to actually market to that business and then get them to see you and then educate them on your service and why they need, and then eventually sell them on your service guys, and then of course deliver the service many steps, right? And you probably don't want to have a master all these steps. If you don't that's why Stephen Clayton and Aiden Booth created a parallel profits. So basically guys, it gives you the ability able to plug into the system that has a brand already created, and it has all created. It has domain created for you, it has website created for you, funnel created for you, and everything is done. So all you need to do guys is get people in front door. Basically you have to drive traffic to an offer and the system take cares rest of this, and they teach you exactly how to do this. But guys, if you want to know a little bit more, I leave a link below in the description of this video, so you can go from there guys. But essentially people who follow the training will be invited to work together with Steve and Aiden as a part of franchise business. So it's kind like a McDonald's. When you know you work at a McDonald's as an employee, a 15 years old can be a manager because everything is systematized. So there are system and there are process to everything. So when it's come down to owning your own consulting business guys or service based business like this business, everything is already set up for you. The branding, the domain name, the website, the funnel, everything. So you won't need to worry about copywriting or marketing materials. So everything already gonna be set up and ready to go. So all you have to do is drive traffic to an offer and make sales. So when you secure local businesses as a client, you're not going to need to perform or even outsource any of the service, as I explained, that you're gonna be offering to them. And the reason is because they're gonna be a full team in place to do all the work for you, eliminating the need of experience or expertise on your part. And that's pretty awesome. And the last part is guys, all you need to do is get in front of these peoples. So what Steve and Adrian have to put together is they have a unique client capture system that you get as a benefit for partnering with them. So all you have to do is drive traffic to an offer and the system will take care of them. And the best part is this guys, you don't need to have a face-to-face interaction with your client or do anything selling or telling. So it's all handled by the system. So guys, if you want to be notified of this launch, when this product actually launches is January 23, so go ahead and click the link below in the description of this video, fill out your name and email, and you will be added to list, and you will be the first to be notified of when this launches happens. Also guys, I'm gonna offering a bonus for those you who go with the parallel profits, and actually I'm gonna show you how to increase your sales, increase the amount of clients that you get onto the front end, and that's all you have to focus on. So I'm going to teach you how to use leverage YouTube and video marketing, and I'm gonna give you a course that's worth of $1,000 completely free, so you don't have to do a paid advertising whatsoever. So that bonus I'm gonna be offering in conjunction with parallel profit, so when it does launch. So if you want to be notified guys, go ahead and click the link below in the description of this video, fill out your email, and I'll be sending you the notification when this product launches guys. So guys, click the link below in the description of this video, and I will share with you when it launches happen. It's gonna be high quality product guys, so you should have to look into this. So click the first link in the description of this video guys, and sign up for this when it's launched. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.